Baik, sebagai pembelajaran terakhir penutup ya, silahkan teman-teman bisa membuat langsung bisnis model kanvasnya dengan cara manual, ya, di kertas begitu digambarkan sesuai dengan ide bisnis atau yang akan diperbaiki ya. Jadi digambarkan di kertas kan gampang sebenarnya, atau di dalam sketsa begitu. Atau kalau yang ingin pembelajaran dengan online bisa juga dengan di www.canvanizer.com ya. Teman-teman bisa buka website ini, kemudian bisa belajar bisnis model kanvas dituliskan secara online di situ ya. Dan kalau tidak mau secara manual bisa juga dituliskan secara dengan di kertas kan gampang. Yang penting sudah dapat ide pembelajarannya ya. Demikian terkait dengan pelatihan ini. Kita juga dari Triben Consulting membuka layanan untuk in-house pembelajaran latihan langsung terkait dengan masalah bisnis model kanvas ini. Ya, teman-teman bisa menghubungi kami di pembelajaran ini ya, di akhir pembelajaran ini. Ini sebagai penutup, ini ada beberapa resume terkait dengan masalah pembelajaran bisnis model kanvas tadi itu ya. Bisa dilihat di sini. Bisa disaksikan ya.
This is the business model canvas. It's just what Beth and Carl will need to craft a powerful business model, and it can do the same for you. Let's dive in and see how it works. There are 9 essential building blocks that make up any business model. When you get all 9 blocks working together, you'll have answered the fundamental questions any business model must solve. We'll start here with customer segments. These are all the people or organizations for which you're creating value. For each segment, you have a specific value proposition. These are the bundles of products and services that create value for your customers. Channels describe through which touchpoints you're interacting with customers and delivering value. The customer relationships outline the types of relationships you're establishing with your customers and how you're acquiring and retaining them. Pricing mechanisms through which your business model captures value are documented under revenue streams. The key resources show which assets are indispensable in your business model, so you can describe the infrastructure you need to create, deliver, and capture value. The key activities show which things you need to be able to perform well. The key partners show who can help you leverage your business model, since you won't own all key resources yourself, nor will you perform all key activities. And once you understand your business model's infrastructure, you'll also have an idea of its cost structure. Any business model can be mapped this way: 9 building blocks working to reinforce and strengthen each other. But before you make a model for yourself, it helps to see what a breakthrough business model looks like in action. Like this one. Low-cost airlines revolutionized air travel thanks to their disruptive business model. Let's first look at their value proposition. A low-cost airline offers ultra-cheap flights to their main customer segment, budget travelers, by adopting a no-frills policy. And this leads to additional revenue streams, because customers pay for their ticket and additional fees on items like food and drink, priority boarding, and luggage. The airlines save even more money through their choice of channels, selling only through call centers and the internet, making for efficient, if not always convenient, customer relationships that are automated and often impersonal. Okay, that covers the right side of the canvas, the part everyone can see. The left side of the canvas is what's going on backstage. Like their choice of key resources, they reduce maintenance and training costs by using a single aircraft model for the whole fleet. And they only fly to cheap airports where it's cost efficient to land, or where they even get paid to touch down. Planes that do land have quick turnarounds, so they get back in the air earning money as quickly as possible. And they form key partnerships with others in the travel industry, like car rental, hotel, and insurance companies. Finally, under cost structures, all maintenance, training, airport, and call center costs are trimmed to their lowest levels. All of these pieces working together make their fares almost impossible for traditional airlines to compete with. There's nothing superior about these airlines except their business models. They're reaching an entirely new segment of travelers out of reach for traditional airlines. Cutting out costs is pretty exciting, right? But wait, just because it's successful for discount airlines doesn't mean it will work for your idea. Luckily, the business model canvas allows you to iterate many models and test them quickly. Let's get started with your own business idea.
Baik, demikian pembelajaran terkait dengan bisnis model canvas ya. Step by step sudah dijelaskan. Sekarang tergantung kita mempraktekannya terkait dengan bisnis model canvas ya. Karena sebagaimana almarhum Bob Sadino pernah mengatakan, orang pintar itu mikirnya ribuan kali. Jadi terasa berat ya. Saya nggak pernah mikir ya, karena cuma melangkah saja. Ngapain juga mikir ya. Jadi perlu kita jalankan satu persatu, tidak usah terlalu banyak pertimbangan. Semoga pembelajaran ini dapat bermanfaat bagi teman-teman sekalian. Apabila membutuhkan konsultasi atau diskusi lebih lanjut, bisa follow ke Instagram kami di @triben.id atau di website kami. Di situ terdapat beberapa macam pelatihan dan pembelajaran yang bisa diakses secara gratis maupun biaya yang terjangkau. Demikian pembelajarannya. Terima kasih.